I'm Shirley, founder and managing director of AutoGuru and Fleet Guru. For over a decade, I've worked where data and technology and fleet operations intersect. For most of the 20th century, vehicle repair was reactive. When it broke, we fixed it. By the 1970s, though, more complex engines required preventative maintenance, and the scheduled service was introduced. Onboard diagnostics launched in 1988 and provided the first digital insight into the vehicle's health. And the check engine light was mandated in 1996. So fast forward to today, cars are connected, streaming, and data in real time. We can see where they are, how far they've traveled, how they were driven, and even when they need attention. The future, where AI can reliably predict vehicle failure and plan maintenance using probability over mileage and time, is definitely coming. This Powertalk focuses on 3 cost centers that AI can improve today to offset the escalating maintenance, management, and downtime costs. So OEM service schedules and repair times, parts costs are all readily available for most vehicles. And when we know how long a task takes and the parts that are required, we can use agreed supplier labor rates and parts markups. We can calculate service costs consistently. This delivers an effective cost control because services are calculated using reliable, repeatable data. And this approach provides the data foundations required to utilize AI to scrutinize and authorize jobs digitally and to streamline maintenance operations. This frees up fleet controllers to focus on high value, more complex exceptions and customer needs. So maintenance authorization technologies are already achieving up to 70% auto approvals, which is incredible. Then there's downtime, the invisible cost that every fleet incurs. And while predictive maintenance promises transformative results, simply bundling the foreseeable future tasks such as tires or an inspection to be done at the same time as the service will reduce the number of visits to the workshop. Anticipating parts, selecting services providers based on location or availability, or pre-ordering replacement vehicles will reduce the time in the workshop. All these numerous small decisions add up to real cost savings by reducing the frequency and the duration of the vehicle downtime. So what's emerging now, though, is an intersection between real-time vehicle data, which tells us what's happening, and intelligent AI agents that connect to service ecosystems to get the job done. Our task as an industry is to ensure that automation enhances trust, transparency, and accountability. Anonymized data sharing is part of the solution. It's necessary to enable reliable AI. Of course, challenges still remain. Data quality, privacy, the need for human insight and strict controls is more important. AI isn't here to replace us as the decision makers. It's here to help us get more done. Humans remain the trust layer. We are the orchestrators. AI will transform every industry you and I know. But the promise that AI will deliver a smarter, safer, and more efficient fleet is very real. It's a future that I can already see.